Okay, so to shape the patties, Paul has taken a baked bean tin for me and cut it off, and I have the top of it, so it's really very easy just to put that on the scale. I've worked out that I need approximately 88 grams per patty if I want 8 patties. That's how many guests I have tonight, so I'm going to just put that on there. That's a little bit more. And then there we go. And all I need to do now is just to flatten that up properly. I can use this to just shape it in. And then I am simply going to use it to put onto the pan, and my shape is perfect. There we go. And this can stand in the fridge now for a couple of hours before I cook it, and they will solidify a bit. Great, hey?